Hey guys, would you guys like to live somewhere kind of in the middle of the city, in the hustle and bustle of everything, but come back to an exclusive private community where you're peace and quiet and just hang out? Maybe have access to this exclusive pool over here. There's also a golf course right across the road over here. Why don't you guys do this? Why don't you guys go up, take a look around, go inside the house, and I'll see you at the end of the tour. I know you guys enjoyed the tour of this property and are probably dying to see this exclusive community, and I would love to show it to you guys. So my contact information is going to be on the screen. I encourage you guys to call me and set up a viewing. And until next time, guys, remember one thing: get Kabani, get sold.